Are you planning to take the Master Plumbing Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to the Master Plumbing Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully for the sanitation, plumbing design and installation. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. It refers to the continuous exchange of water within the hydrosphere, between the atmosphere, ground surface, underground and water surface. Letter A, atmospheric cycle. Letter B, hydrological cycle. Letter C, meteorological cycle. Letter D, ecological cycle. The answer is letter B, hydrological cycle. Question number 2. Where can you find a flushometer valve installed? Letter A, shower. Letter B, lavatory. Letter C, bathtub. Letter D, urinal. The answer is letter D, urinal. Question number 3. In the coliform group of bacteria, E. coli is a bacteria that is commonly found in the lower intestine of warm-blooded organisms. What does the E in E. coli mean? Letter A, Enterobacter. Letter B, Ehrlichia. Letter C, Eikenella. Letter D, Escherichia. The answer is letter D, Escherichia. Question number 4. What do you call the process in which steel and wrought iron pipe rust? Letter A, tuberculation. Letter B, electrolysis. Letter C, percolation. Letter D, sandblast. The answer is letter A, tuberculation. Question number 5. What chemical compound can affect the salinity of water? Letter A, magnesium sulfate. Letter B, sodium chloride. Letter C, magnesium chloride. Letter D, calcium chloride. The answer is letter B, sodium chloride. Question number 6. What do you call the process of removing the dissolved calcium and magnesium salts that cause hardness in water? Letter A, hardness removal. Letter B, water softening. Letter C, dehardenization. Letter D, demineralization. The answer is letter B, water softening. Question number 7. Water drained from water closets and urinals carries body wastes and contains major pollutants. Letter A, gray water. Letter B, wastewater. Letter C, black water. Letter D, brackish water. The answer is letter C, black water. Question number 8. What does it mean if the water pH level is above 7? Letter A, alkaline. Letter B, acidic. Letter C, neutral. Letter D, natural. The answer is letter A, alkaline. Question number 8. It refers to excess or extra strong of a pipe. Letter A, Schedule 160. Letter B, Schedule 120. Letter C, Schedule 80. Letter D, Schedule 40. The answer is letter C, Schedule 80. Question number 10. Chlorine gas is blank times heavier than breathing air. Letter A, 2.5. Letter B, 50. Letter C, 20. Letter D, 7.5. The answer is letter A, 2.5. Question number 11. A fire class involves ordinary combustible materials such as woods, cloth, rubber, and plastic. Letter A, Class A. Letter B, Class B. Letter C, Class C. Letter D, Class K. The answer is letter A, Class A. Question number 12. The retention period or the time for which suspended matters in septic tank would settle and stabilize. Letter A, 48 hours. Letter B, 24 hours. Letter C, 12 hours. Letter D, 3 hours. The answer is letter B, 24 hours. Question number 13. It is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit. Letter A, joules. Letter B, horsepower. Letter C, kilowatt. Letter D, British thermal unit. The answer is letter D, British thermal unit. Question number 14. It is equal to the kinetic energy of a kilogram mass moving at the speed of 1 meter per second. Letter A, joules. Letter B, horsepower. Letter C, kilowatt. Letter D, calories. The answer is letter A, joules. Question number 15. The process by which water changes from liquid to a gas or vapor. Letter A, condensation. Letter B, deposition. Letter C, sublimation. Letter D, evaporation. The answer is letter D, evaporation. Question number 16. A pump typically used for drawing water up from a well. Letter A, booster pump. Letter B, sump pump. Letter C, jet pump. Letter D, rotary pump. The answer is letter C, jet pump. Question number 17. PX, a type of flexible plastic, is currently replacing traditional copper and galvanized steel as water supply lines in both new construction and remodeling projects. PX stands for blank. Letter A, cross-connection polyethylene. Letter B, cross-linked polyethylene. Letter C, joint-linked polyethylene. Letter D, joint connection polyethylene. The answer is letter B, cross-linked polyethylene. Question number 18. A room equipped with a shower or bathtub. Letter A, toilet room. Letter B, bathroom. Letter C, shower room. Letter D, washroom. The answer is letter B, bathroom. Question number 19. The chemical symbol for tin. Letter A, SB. Letter B, SN. Letter C, TN. Letter D, TI. The answer is letter B, SN. Question number 20. The unit of kinematic viscosity in metric system. Letter A, poise. Letter B, square feet per second. Letter C, square meters per second. Letter D, Stokes. The answer is letter C, square meters per second. Question number 21. The sink used as a rule for janitorial services in a building. Letter A, scullery sink. Letter B, wash-up sink. Letter C, pantry sink. Letter D, slop sink. The answer is letter D, slop sink. Question number 22. A bathroom consists of water closet and lavatory. Letter A, Class 4. Letter B, Class 3. Letter C, Class 2. Letter D, Class 1. The answer is letter C, Class 2. Question number 23. Bacteria which has no function in sewage treatment. Letter A, anaerobic bacteria. Letter B, aerobic bacteria. Letter C, facultative bacteria. Letter D, pathogenic bacteria. The answer is letter D, pathogenic bacteria. Question number 24. Who shall set the criteria for the quality of drinking water from meteoric, surface or underground sources? Letter A, DOH. Letter B, DNR. Letter C, PNSDW. Letter D, NWRB. The answer is letter C, PNSDW. Question number 25. Temperature classification range from ordinary, which has a temperature rating of blank sprinklers based on NFPA 13. Letter A, 135 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Letter B, 175 to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Letter C, 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Letter D, 325 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The answer is letter A, 135 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's all for this set. Comment on your score below. Thank you and good luck.